Hi, this is Jana Whitley. I'm the author of My Little Pony crochet book, crochet with the crochet patterns. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do the corkscrew for Pinkie Pie. And Tiffany wrote me and asked me if I could demonstrate how to triple crochet 4 into a chain. And so I'm going to start with the Pinkie Pie main lock A, and it's going to be, first of all, we're going to chain 20, and what you'll end up with when you're finished is this corkscrew shape. So you take it, you make a chain, and then you're going to triple crochet 4 into each chain, and it ends up creating this corkscrew. And this is a different style of pony that I did just for myself, but the locks are going to be the same as for Pinkie Pie. And so here's another example of what it looks like. And when you pull it out straight, you can see the chains down here at the bottom, those holes that are the chain. And then each of those chain stitches has 4 triple crochets. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, all stuck into one chain. Okay, so I've got my C hook, which is 2.75 millimeters, and I've got my DK yarn, which is double knit yarn. It's a light worsted yarn, or in the U.S. we sometimes call it sport weight. It's very bright. This one is called Fiesta. The name of the color is Fiesta, and it's from Stylecraft Special DK. And I bought it on a website called lovecrochet.com. Okay, so I have chained 20. And now I'm going to show you how to do the triple crochet. So in the instructions it says to, in the 4th chain from the hook, and then it says TC4, meaning triple crochet 4 in that chain. So if you look here, there's the working loop, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is going to be where I'm going to enter right there. But before I do that, I have to I have to yarn over twice. Because a double crochet you yarn over once. A triple crochet you yarn over twice. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to enter that chain. Now you got the 3 loops on the hook, plus you're in the stitch, and then you're going to yarn over once more. And you're going to pull through, so you have 4 loops on your hook. And now you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through just the first 2 loops on the hook. So there's 1, and then you're going to yarn over again, pull through 2 loops again. There's 2, and then yarn over again, pull it through the last 2 loops. There's 3. That makes it your triple crochet, which is kind of like 3 single crochets sitting on top of each other. Okay, so now we're going to do that again. We're going to yarn over twice before we begin the stitch. Go back in the same hole, the same chain. See, here's those extra chains. Here's the first triple crochet. We're going to go in that same hole, yarn over, pull through. So now we have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over again, pull through 2. Yarn over again, pull through 2. Yarn over again, pull through 2. There's our second finished triple crochet. Okay, let's yarn over twice. Go through the same chain again. Yarn over, so 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2. Okay, that's 3 triple crochets. So let's do one more. It's in that chain. So yarn over twice. Put it through the chain. Yarn over again. 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. So there's 4 triple crochets Plus there's this extra chains on here, and that's the first chain. So now you get to do that in every single chain. So it's monotonous, you know, but it's kind of relaxing because that's what we do in crochet. So we're going, see, okay, sorry. Okay, we're going to go in this next chain, which is right, see, here's the first chain, there's the next chain. So that's the one we're going to go into. So we wrap twice before, go into the next chain, and then just finish that triple crochet stitch. Okay, there's the first one, same hole again. There's the second one, so there's two, and then we're going to go in that same chain again. There's three, and wrap again twice, go into the same hole again. 1, 2, 3, there's our triple crochet, and there's 4. So if you lose count of how many you have, just kind of push them out with your finger and stretch out that chain, and you can see that hole, and that'll show you how many triple crochets are in the hole. Because I lose count when I'm doing these really tall stitches such as a triple crochet. Now we're going to go to the next chain, which is right next to that. And if while you're doing this you accidentally skip a chain, it's really not a huge deal. I would just continue rather than ripping back because that's a lot of stitching to rip back to, and it doesn't really have to be accurate in this kind of fun corkscrew shape. Okay, how many? That's 4 right there. And you can see it's starting to curl up like a little ear or flower. Okay, let's do another one. So next chain. It helps to kind of hold the chain with these fingers as you go to keep some tension on that chain. Okay, that's 3. Let's do one more in there. That's 4. Okay, let's move on to the next chain right there. Okay, so now you're just going to keep doing that all the way to the end of that chain. So I'm not going to show you all that because that would get kind of makes for a boring video. But you can see this is going to start to curl up into a corkscrew. And you can kind of help it curl by giving it a twist. And you'll see that the wrong side of the crochet is going to be on the outside. And that's okay. That's what it naturally does. You know, you don't want to try to turn it to the right side. You just let that wrong side be on the outside. Okay, I hope that was helpful, and I'll talk to you later.